Hi, I'm Dan Odess. I'm a licensed public insurance adjuster, and I'm here to talk to you about how to estimate your cost of your home insurance. Your home insurance is determined primarily based on the replacement cost value. That is the fair market value of the cost of the material labors in the event of a loss. They take into consideration a lot of different things, such as fluctuations in the market, large storm events, things like that, which might cause an increase in the cost of construction, or there might be situations where it causes a decrease in the cost of that construction. With all things said, one of the best things you might be able to do is hire a licensed home inspector to come in and do an evaluation of your property at the time of placing that insurance to get the proper discounts, whatever may be afforded to you while placing that. They can help you determine sometimes the actual replacement cost value of the policy or give you kind of an idea or a ballpark as to how much it's going to be. Your rates for what is the cost of your insurance on either a monthly, a quarterly, 6-month basis, or a one-time payment is a direct percentage of the total amount of the coverages that are afforded to you. Those coverages show up on what's called the declaration page, so it's an important thing to review there. So one of the things you got to take into account is what is it going to cost you at any given period of time in the next year to rebuild in the event of that loss. That value is your replacement cost value. That value will be directly reflected as a percentage in your rate, in your premium dollars. So make sure that replacement cost value or the contents coverage, loss of use, coverage A, B, C, D, or all the other coverages that you might have on your policy are properly assessed and properly associated with the actual cost. Based on those values will determine the rate in which you pay. Some things you might take into account is legislation changes, cost of construction, building code changes. All those things will affect that premium dollar that you're paying. Thanks again. This was Dan for eHow.